be seeing me with the same outfit, makeup and everything in my other video. Just because I will be doing this tutorial in my other video. After this video, that video will be up.
Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Ms. Bean Pinky and I make beauty, fashion, fitness and blog related videos. So if you wish to see more of my future videos, then do subscribe, hit the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video, and do join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box as always.
So let's begin with today's video.
And by the title, you must be knowing that it's my monthly subscription box unboxing time. So this is a subscription box which we get monthly by Bellabox. So the box is here. Of course, it's a blue box. So a little about Bellabox. Bellabox is a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 sample size to full size products. So mostly you get sample size, but you also get good full size products which you may be using it or you may be using for the first time. So it's good to get some samples, try first and then buy if you like it. I will leave their website link below in the description box in case if you want to go and check it out if you are living in Australia and New Zealand. And I think it's only $17.95 or $19.95 including postage, and it's under $20 Australian, and like it's so worth, like you get far more than what you pay. So like it's literally amazing. And this is how this box looks. And first let's see what's inside. I did open it yesterday. So first thing I can see is this card. As usual, there's a card in every box. So this time it says beauty snap. This is how it is, and at the back you get to see all the products details and their price, retail price, what's the value of the product and everything. So the first product I can see here is Luna by Luna eyeshadow. So this is the eyeshadow. I think they sent an email out to everyone to choose a eyeshadow, but I think I saw, but like I didn't choose any for myself. I thought that okay, let them send whatever they want. So this is how it is. It's only written Luna by Luna eyeshadow, all the sides. And here it says connect with us, Luna by Luna Cosmetics, and all their details on this side. Okay, let's see which color I got today. Okay, this is how it looks, and at the back it says Miracle. I think this is the eyeshadow's name. Okay, this is the shade. I don't know, but like it's good. Okay, it is pigmented, and like I don't know how the camera is taking, but like it's literally very good, and like it has that shimmer, so it's okay. And let's see what it says here. So this is a full-size product, and it says here Luna's silky smooth highly pigmented formula makes for wearable color that's easy to blend and build up, especially when there's minimal fallout. I don't know, but like if I'll apply on the eyes, I'll know how much fallout it has. So like it says minimal fallout, so like I don't know. To top it off, it's cruelty free and gluten free, and you will receive one of the following shades: Juliet, Celine, Spiced, Pumpkin, and Miracle. So this is Miracle, and like I think it's okay for me because like it's just a small shadow, and like why not like give it a try. It will be okay, I don't know. So this product retails for $15 USD, and it's 1.5 gram, and it's a full size, available at lunabyluna.com. Okay, let's move on and see the second product. It's Model Co Highlighting Shimmer Whip. Okay, it's this one. Looks like this. Model Co products are really good, and this is how the packet is. Looks like similar to MAC products, I think. I haven't used this, so let's see. It's a shimmer, so like let me show you guys. This is how it looks, and let's see how shimmery it is. I think after applying the foundation, you can just apply on high points on your face, or just before applying foundation you can just apply high points on your face, then apply foundation. So this is how it is, and OMG, it's like wow, it's so pigmented, and like look at it, it's just beautiful, literally it's so beautiful, and like it's so blendable, like it blends really well. You can see like it blended really well, and like you can use on the high points on your face, like you are doing strobing, like on the high points before applying foundation. Okay, this is a sample size product. It says here, introducing your secret weapon for highlighting and adding lustre to your skin. This liquid luminizer glides onto skin effortlessly, giving you that subtle strobing effect that leaves the skin looking radiant. So like I was saying, you can do strobing with this, like it says here, you can do strobing, like it will give you that strobing effect. Like what I'm saying, I'm not in a mood of making video today, but like I have to do it. Like it gives the strobing effect on your face. Like I will do it, like if I'm doing a dewy makeup, I will just apply this, and I will apply a dewy foundation on top, like with no highlighter, so that way it will give that highlighting effect, like it will give you the natural glow on your skin. So this product retails for $12, and it's 7 ml only. It is sample size, so it's available at modelco.com. And the next product is this Plunketts Vita E Natural Vitamin E Cream. So this is high potency natural vitamin E cream. So like I needed one cream. So this is, and I think it's a sample size too, and I hope you can see it properly. Only 20 grams, so it's a sample size. And like let me smell. Whenever I get a moisturizer, it really makes me happy that I have to try something new. Let me do here. there is no smell. Yeah, there is no smell at all. So natural. So this is a sample size, bit dry, damaged and irritated skin. So this is for dry, damaged and irritated skin. So I think my skin is more drying in this winter season, so I think I will try this. So this is vitamin E infused with rose hip oil. So this is enriched with rose hip oil. So this has rose hip oil, and I don't know how my skin will take it because I don't like applying oils on my skin. So this is non-greasy cream, contains high potency but natural vitamin E to provide hydration while improving skin elasticity. So this is really good. It improves skin's elasticity. So it's good to try. So 100 grams of this product retails for $15.45, which is not much for 100 gram, but available at pharmacies nationwide and plunkets.com.au. So I don't know whether I am pronouncing it right or not, but like this is available in all pharmacies, I think. So the next product is this Subi Perfect Pimple Patch, and at the back it says how to apply. So this is the product, and it says here it's a full size. So pimple emergency, Subi has you covered. It's invisible hydrocolloid spot patches, flattens pimples, and it also helps you remove like blemishes, like heal skin too quicker. Says here it will heal your skin quicker, and it is cruelty free, and it's also vegan, and like the perfect pimple patch is suitable for everyone. So it says 3 times full size 18 patch packs retails for $39.95. Wow. So this is a full size, like it has 18 patches in it, so it is nearly $40. So it's a good product to try, but I am not getting any pimples at the moment. Like my skin is really flawless. Like I am taking a good care of my skin. So like I may not need it, but I may give this to my son because teenagers get these pimples lots. So the next product is this Secret Spa product. So this is a buffing block. Okay, this is it. It's a buffing block, and it says here Secret's line of luxurious skincare and spa products are based on ancient mineral, salt water and mud unearthed from the Dead Sea. The unique combination of innovative technology, healing Dead Sea and natural ingredient transforms Secret into high quality brand. I should have received something else, but like it's a buffer block. Okay, it's okay to have one, but I have got like lots of this product in my collection already. So this retails for $20, and like you can buy this at www.secretspa.com. So the bonus product for this month is this Fabulous Fine Hair Cream Lightweight Shampoo. So this is a bonus shampoo we have to try. And again, they have sent the 40% off your first box HelloFresh. I literally wanted to get this. Like, it's a subscription box where you get it delivered to your doors, like 5 to 6 meals or as much meals you want. They will give you the products and the recipes and everything. You make it at home, and it is really healthy. So this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like my video, and also share with your families and friends, and also join me on all social media sites. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.